I always say, Guti, in most goals that are conceded or scored, let me say conceded, is always a warning before the goal comes. This is similar. It's not the same play of movement, but this is similar to the goal. Ball plays in the middle, it goes back, run, behind. Our policy la could have taken one touch, ashaya ngathi uyashaya, and then besa ayashaya with the second touch. But in this one here, he decides to hit it first time. In most goals, there's always a warning. We switch the ball, bazolahla futhi on the right hand side. Cross, yeah, bumper, slipping. Goal. Remember what I said in the first incident, right? Gube watata one touch, then ashaya goes two. That's what he did in this goal, right? Azanga funa kulishaya first time, what relax, composure. You can't teach that. It's either you have it or you don't have it. Composure, you can't teach someone to be composed.